Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of the unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the String Theory adjustable lowering springs for the GR Yaris. So here I have the box of the String Theory Garage adjustable height spring kit for the GR Yaris. So this is what the box looks like. As you can see, has the String Theory logo. These springs were co-developed with JCR Developments, and the ones who actually made these adjustable springs are actually Eibach, as you can see here. So yeah, let's take a look at what's inside and let's get started. So guys, the moment you open the box, here's what's inside. Alright guys, so here's the String Theory Garage adjustable lowering springs for the GR Yaris. So these two tall ones are actually for the front and these two short ones are for the rear. So they come with anodized aluminum adjusters, as you can see here, which you just twist. And that's actually what adjusts the ride height. And you can see that these are really made of high quality aluminum and it just moves so freely. So guys, these springs are painted white. They have a really clean look and they come with a polyurethane rubber around the springs to protect the coating of the springs, and I guess this also acts as a rubber to absorb the noise if ever these springs do come into contact with each other. So based on String Theory Garage's website, these springs for the fronts are actually 15% stiffer and for the rears they're actually 20% stiffer. So overall, this should make the GR Yaris handle more flat when it comes to cornering, and overall it's just going to become a more responsive car in the corners. So guys, that's the String Theory Garage adjustable lowering springs for the GR Yaris. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more content in the future. I'll see you guys next time.